Hi, and welcome to a very important video. If you are a seller on Amazon, you're probably wondering and freaking out about the new inventory placement fees. And I've had a lot of people asking me how to reduce the inbound shipping fees that they are paying. Well, it's very simple. I'm going to show you how I've been doing it. From your Amazon Seller Central panel, you are going to go to the little icon, the little wheel on the upper right corner of your screen, and you are going to go to Fulfillment by Amazon and click there. And you're going to scroll through your settings until you find Inbound Settings, and then you're going to click Edit. And here, by default, Amazon will choose partial. If you don't do anything, Amazon has set it as a default to choose partial shipment splits. But what you really want to choose to save the most amount of money is Amazon Optimized Shipment Splits, the first option. And then you just click Update. You're basically telling Amazon that your preference is that you are okay doing it like you were doing it before, shipping to multiple warehouses, even if that means you paying extra fees for the extra shipments. In the long run, that's going to save you more money than paying additional inventory placement fees, which is what Amazon seems to want most sellers to do, so that they can minimize your shipments into fewer warehouses. But in my opinion, this is very deceiving. I rather pay upfront a fee that I know. And it's very much, again, like the old system of doing things before this whole inventory placement fee was a thing. So choose the first option, and you're going to see that, unfortunately, you're probably going to have to separate your items into more shipments and ship to different warehouses. And that's going to cost you a little bit more money, but in the long run, it's going to save you a little bit more money too. So in my opinion, this is the best way to move forward in regards to inventory placement fees. On another note, I've been hearing a lot of people having a negative mindset about this new change. In my opinion, it's not a big deal. Yes, it does increase the inbound shipment fees just a little bit, but it's not a big deal. It doesn't make or break your Amazon business. And if it does break it, then there is something flawed with your Amazon business that you should probably be paying attention to. For example, you're probably not aiming at products that have a decent profit margin, or you're making bad inventory purchases. So if this is a big concern, you're probably needing to fix other sides, other parts of your Amazon business first, and not focus so much on the inventory placement fees. In any case, I hope this quick video helped you sort out through one of many new changes in the Amazon FBA business. And as usual, make sure to check out the rest of my videos. I'm going to put one right here. And also, if you're interested in testing my online arbitrage leads, I'm also going to put a link right here so you can check it out. And if you want to have any discounts on online arbitrage software or on my leads, make sure to click on all the links on my video description. These are all for your help. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.